All right, this is the key for metric symbols conversions worksheet number 1. So we're working with a lot of kilo, centi, and milli and those prefixes. Reminder that the symbol for our prefix is always lowercase. So first one, these fill-ins. 1 meter is the base unit. Well, there's 100 centimeters in 1 meter because a centimeter is 100 times smaller than a meter. 1,000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram, or kg. Remember, kilo meaning a larger unit. 1 meter to millimeters. Well, milli is 1,000 times smaller, so there's 1,000 millimeters in a meter. 1 liter, very similar to the one above it, with 100 centiliters, and again, remember that that lead symbol is always lowercase. 100 centigrams in 1 gram. Some consistent ones here, 100 centiliters in 1 liter. 1 kilometer, a long distance unit. Sometimes people run 5K races. Okay, well, 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. Milli is the 1,000 times smaller unit. So there's 1,000 milligrams in 1 gram. In similar fashion, there's 1,000 milliliters in 1 liter. This is from our meter stick. There's 100 centimeters in 1 meter. There's 100 centigrams in 1 gram. There's 1,000 milliliters in 1 liter. 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. 1 liter is 100 centiliters. There are 100 centigrams in a gram. 1 big unit, kiloliter, is 1,000 liters. There's 1,000 meters in a kilometer, or kilometer. And there's 1,000 milligrams, small unit, in 1 gram. So now we're going to use some of those, and we need to be able to generate those. So we're going to use those to answer a couple of these questions down here. We've got 8,900 kilometers. So they want us to show our strategy, all units labeled, final answer in standard form, and scientific notation. So our strategy, we can't go directly from kilometers into centimeters, but we can go from kilometers to meters with this one. That we generated earlier, and we also can go from meters into centimeters with this equality. Okay, so there's our strategy. Okay, all units labeled. Okay, fine. 8,900 kilometers over 1. I know my strategy has 2 arrows, so I'm going to have 2 conversion bars.
Where's my whiteboard?
So 2 conversion bars, and our final answer is going to be in units of centimeters. Well, okay, fine. I want to cancel kilometers and go to meters. Our numerical values, well, 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. So kilometers can cancel out. Now we're in meters and we want to go to centimeters. So we're going to cancel meters. We're going to put meters on the bottom and centimeters on the top. And there are 100 centimeters in 1 meter. So again, we're always doing the unit first and then going and finding the numbers from our equalities, because anything that is in a conversion bar, it comes from an equality. Whatever's on the bottom is equal to what's on the top. Meters cancel. And now we're ready to work on our calculator. So we have 8900. 1000's on the top, so we're going to multiply. 100 is on the top, so we're going to multiply again. We can ignore all of the ones. So we have 8, 9, and 7 zeros. So we have 8, 9, 1, 2. That many centimeters. So 890 million centimeters. If I wanted to put that into scientific notation, I would say 8.9 times 10 to the 8th centimeters. So I've met all expectations. I get 2 points for the strategy. I get a point for writing km here, meters here, centimeters here, doing the work. Final answer, scientific notation. Be as descriptive as you can and take your time. Second question, 740,000 centigrams is how many kilograms? Should be a question mark there. So, okay, strategy, centigrams. Well, I can't go directly, but I can go from centigrams into grams. And then once we have grams, we can go to kilograms. So again, a two-step dimensional analysis problem. So we have 2 conversion bars, and our final answer going to be in kilograms. We want to cancel centigrams and go to grams. And there are 100 centigrams in 1 gram. So centigrams will cancel. Grams are on top. We need them on the bottom, so they will cancel out. And we are going to kilograms. And again, there are 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. Units are good. We're ready for our calculator. $740,000. The 100 is on the bottom. We can ignore all the ones because we multiply or divide by 1, we get the same number back. The 100 is on the bottom, so we are going to divide by 100. So we are roughly halfway there. And then we're going to, the next 1,000 is on the bottom, so we're also going to divide by 1,000. So we get 7.4 kilograms. 2 significant digits in the original problem, 2 in our answer. You know, scientific notation is meant to help us out, and in the first problem it did help us out. In this problem, not so much, but if they did want us to put it into scientific notation, okay, 7.4 times 10 to the, well, because we don't move the decimal at all, it's 7.4 times 10 to the 0 kilograms. Remember from your math class that anything to the 0 power is 1, so you're effectively saying 7.4 times 1, which is just 7.4. And this concludes the key for metric symbols and conversions worksheet number 1.